Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1120 online. First, understand that corporations use Form 1120 to report income, gains, losses, deductions, and credits. This form helps determine your corporation's income tax liability. Unless exempt, all domestic corporations must file an income tax return, whether or not they have taxable income. Filing electronically is often recommended for faster processing and fewer errors, and some corporations are required to e-file. Before you begin filing, it's crucial to gather all necessary documents. This includes your corporation's financial statements, such as income statements and balance sheets. You'll also need your employer identification number, or EIN, and the date your company was incorporated. Remember to keep meticulous records of all income, expenses, and payroll. This preparation ensures accuracy and helps avoid potential issues during the filing process. To file online, you'll need to choose an IRS-approved tax software or work with an authorized e-file provider. Many corporations are now required to e-file. Once you have your software, you'll input your corporation's basic information, followed by all income and deductions. Don't forget to complete essential schedules like Schedule L for balance sheets and Schedule M1 for income reconciliation, ensuring consistency across your financial reporting. After entering all your data, carefully review every section of your Form 1120 for accuracy. Mistakes can lead to significant IRS penalties, so double-checking is vital. Once confident, submit your return electronically through your chosen software. Remember to retain all acknowledgments and a complete copy of your filed return for at least 3 years. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.